I've witnessed Wärtsilä's transformation over the years in that Wärtsilä has positioned itself more and more as a proactive front-runner in the development of future fuel technology that is in support of our customers' decarbonization journey. Hi, my name is Tinus Van Vugt and I'm a senior instructor at the Wärtsilä Land and Sea Academy in Drunen, the Netherlands. The way the Academy's interactive training center is supporting the customer's skill development is done through a smartly organized training system. First of all, face-to-face, classroom, even more importantly for us as doers, hands-on training, but also e-learning and virtual online training. Applying technology in modern maritime and energy training is of vital importance, I would say. We have seen the rapid increase in online training since COVID. This could only be achieved by adapting our training material and methods to this type of digital knowledge transfer. An example is the use of simulators and virtual reality to improve the real-life learning experience. When we talk about how the academies foster a global learning environment for Wärtsilä employees, when I deliver virtual online training, I often have participants from all over the world, all joining in one and the same training session. I think that Wärtsilä's global presence is where we can really make the difference, taking benefit from a global company. This is about sharing our vast worldwide experience and competence base through global cooperation and teamwork. I'd say that the key initiatives Wärtsilä is undertaking to promote greener energies and sustainability is positively reflected in the work that's being done and is ongoing in energy storage systems. Our current dual fuel and future fuel-driven engines, methanol, ammonia, hydrogen. Apart from that, we also have been laying the groundwork and setting the stage, so to speak, in the fuel optimization of vessels. The challenges that I'm looking forward to is how to implement all these modern technologies into a system of future fuel training modules. Anything that is thrown at us when we're looking at decarbonization in the upcoming decades will have to be reflected in informing each other through training material. So that's what I'm looking forward to.